Hello, students, and some exciting news for you. Something that's going to be happening this spring in the library. Last year, we had something called the Play Museum in the library on the last week of school. The year before that, we had the Question Museum. And this year, right at the end of the year, we're going to have something in the library called the Word Museum. I'm so excited. Every student will make a piece of art based on one word that they will choose for themselves. And we're going to be talking about this as the weeks go on in library. We're going to be thinking about words and what kind of art we can make out of them. But just to get us going today, it's a two-part lesson. I'm going to read a book, and then you're going to watch a short video of the Question Museum. So let me get started with the book, though. I've chosen a book by a man named Peter Reynolds. It's called The Word Collector, just to get us thinking about words. And so, here we go. Collectors collect things. Some people collect stamps, some collect coins or rocks, some collect art, some collect bugs. Others collect baseball cards. Some collect comic books. And Jerome, what did he collect? Jerome collected words. Wonder. He collected words he heard. Certain words caught his attention. My trip to Peru was perfectly pleasant. Peru. He collected words he saw. His certain words jumped out at him. Willow. He collected words he read. Certain words popped off the page. Emerald. Short and sweet words like spark, bloom, drift, dream. Two-syllable words like treasure, candid, motif, hover, whisper, glimmer. And multi-syllable words that sounded like little songs: guacamole, kaleidoscope, wonderful, geometry, symphony. There were words he did not know the meaning of at first, but they were marvelous to say. Aromatic, vociferous, effervescent. There were words whose sounds were perfectly suited to their meaning. Tyrannosaurus Rex, torrential, molasses, smudge, bellow. Jerome filled his scrapbooks with more and more of his favorite words. Jerome's collection grew. He began organizing them. Dreamy, science, sad, action, poetic. One day, finally, transporting them. One day, while he was transporting them, Jerome slipped and his words went flying. As he began to pick them up, he noticed that his collections had become jumbled. Big words next to little words, sad words next to dreamy words. Jerome began stringing the words together. Whisper, symphony, electric, peace. Words he had not imagined sitting side by side. Savor, dreams, cascading, stars. He used his words to write poems. He used his poems to make up songs. They moved. They delighted. Some of his simplest words were his most powerful. I understand. I'm sorry. Thank you. You matter. Jerome eagerly collected more and more of his favorite words. I see molecule, brilliance, waterfall, infinite, hugs, light, bungalow, harmony, gaggle, all kinds of words. And each could be a piece of art. The more words he knew, the more clearly he could share with the world what he was thinking and feeling and dreaming. One breezy afternoon, Jerome climbed the highest hill, pulling a wagon packed with his word collection. He smiled as he emptied his collection of words into the wind. Those words are going to go all over the place. He saw children in the valley below, scurrying about, collecting words from the breeze. Jerome had no words to describe how happy that made him. Words are powerful, and we'll be thinking a lot about words this semester in library class, and then closer to the end of the year, you'll choose one word to make into a piece of art. We'll talk all about it.